Tire tracks up and down the road, a road that is now so damn cold. September 4th began 4 days of horror in a small Saskatchewan Cree Nation. 18 injured and 10 whose voices will never again be heard. Their lives stolen by the blade of a knife. Pain and mourning. Tears and shock. Questions asked. Answers unknown. Tears cried. Too many left undried. Tire tracks up and down the road, a road that is now so damn cold. September 5th, second day of horror. Please God, don't let there be any more. This morning, no one is mourning another public safety warning. The search expanding without an ending. Worried hands begin to pray. Shattered hearts begin to fray. Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan, this is not our way. Tire tracks up and down the road, a road that is now so damn cold. September 6th, third day of horror. James Smith Cree Nation rocked to its core. Still more souls to the Creator soar. Sore eyes, how can they cry anymore? No time for apologies, blame not authorities. Questions of what provoked them. Questions of who will be next. Questions of why those victims. Tire tracks up and down the road, a road that is now so damn cold. A bloodied river marking 4 days of horror that rocked James Smith Cree Nation to its core. Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan, this is not our way. We must never forget these 4 days, nor the 10 lives that were stolen away. Let our hearts feel, let our pain heal. Let our tears warm the tire tracks up and down the road that is now so damn cold.